Hi, I'm Emma Lou, the Creative Director with Heartfelt Creations. Today I'm bringing you a video loaded with a technique using a new Peacock Paisley die. So many of you have been requesting this die over the past couple of months, so we are excited to bring this, and you'll be able to create amazing 3D detail with the die and the stamps together. So join me and we'll learn this technique together. The Peacock Paisley die comes in a package like this, so you've got the two main peacocks and then you also have the feather, so you can kind of see the detail of those images on the back. So before we show you the cutout images, I kind of wanted to show you how I colored these. I started out with a teal zeal memento ink and just colored the image, and then these colors that I chose to color it with kind of coordinate with the Peacock Paisley paper. So I wanted to add a little bit of pink, green, and the teal zeal together. And I'm coloring with a Dove blender. This really just works very nicely with the chalk or memento inks or inks that dry very quickly to add quick color, and it dries very quickly as well. So if you want a little bit more detail, this is a great option to go with. So just switch. If you want to kind of clean that tip from the pink, you can just kind of brush that off, and then you can add that green in there. And that just kind of makes some quick stripes before you go ahead and color this or cut this out. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the lime to the body of the peacock over here, so you can kind of see that. It's just very pale, and you can add the pink, and you can color this kind of whatever colors you like. After this, you're ready to cut them out. So you'll see that this is the one peacock die that's, you'll just lay that on top. The blade is right on the edge, and then you can just line that up. Once that's lined up, just press that tape down, and we'll do the same with the feather. So kind of just lay this on top. The feather is really beautiful cut out, so you can just press that down, and you could run all three of these images through at the same time if you wish. If your die cutting machine is smaller, you could cut these images apart and just run them through individually. So you'll see this die really cuts out a lot of the beautiful detail within this peacock. So those are all lined up and ready to run through your die cutting machine. So once you have those peacocks cut out, you can go ahead and just pull those out of the die, and you have that beautiful, intricate detail. So you might have some pieces that are just stuck in there a little bit. You can just pop those out so you can see how detailed and intricate that is. So that's the first peacock, and then we also have this one. This one I already added a little bit of glitter on it, so you can kind of see the shimmer and the beautiful detail that this one has. And then this is the feather. The feather is extremely delicate as well, so you can really see the dimension and color of that. So you can really get some beautiful dimension with just cutting these out and adding them to your card bases. This is the peacock on vellum and just cut out with a coordinating die, and here I have a loose one so you can kind of see the detail on that, but it's really beautiful on vellum for some dimension. Here's another one where the designer mounted the peacock on an oval, added the cutout feathers on the top, and then I also wanted to show you how the peacock paper, some of it has the coordinating picture images that you can just cut them out with the coordinating die. Here we have the everyday heroes with the peacock just layered on the front. And then I just wanted to show you some where if you do choose to just stamp it directly to the background, this is really nice with the coordinating daisy flowers. Here's another one with the peacock in the background with the daisy flowers. All these samples you'll see online with instructions, and I'll have the links to the products in the video description. So here's another just really beautiful different color variation of the peacock. I know you'll love coloring and cutting out those peacocks like I showed you. We have many more examples on our website. You can visit our website at heartfeltcreations.us. Click the gallery, and the gallery search, just put in Peacock Paisley, and it'll bring up so many more samples. We'd love to hear from you. Leave some comments below on what you'd like to see in future videos, what you loved about the video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.